Good morning, everybody. This is Ruthie Rocks, and we have Be Happy today. Hey, Be Happy, what do you say? Huh? She says, Mommy, what are you doing? What are you doing? Yes, we love my Be Happy. Now, Rocky's probably going to want to be on, but it was her day. She was clawing at my little leg, so here we go. Yes, happy Monday. Maximize the Monday. We've got 116 days of inventory, everybody. That's fantastic. And we listed 75 over the weekend. So that was high-rise condos, single-family homes, and townhomes. So that is fantastic. And on Friday, you closed 116. So that's really good. Now that has upped our daily sales to 74. Remember, we were down, way down at the beginning of the month through the middle of the month. Now it's coming back up. Last month we did 85. That was September. So now we're up to 74, and I will bet you that we will exceed 74 this month, 74 sales per day this month. And that's that's really good. And you know why? Well, for instance, there were 427 price reductions just in the last 3 days. So I'm sure that a lot of these sales are attributed to, people wanting to buy a particular home, but they might have thought it was priced too high for them. So now prices are coming down, so people are buying. And we talk about the interest rates a lot lately, right? And we were talking in class the other day about the interest rates and the prediction that Fannie Mae came out with, that interest rates are going to go down to 4.5% to 5%. Headed toward mid-year. So now the buyers are saying, should I wait? Should I wait to buy? And here's the thing. As soon as those prices start the interest rates start going down, what do you think the prices are going to do? Because the demand's going to go up, the prices are going to go up. So my suggestion, this was actually a consensus of the class, and it was the Buffini class. And we were saying, well, then buy now. They decided they were going to tell their buyers that were on the fence, let's buy now, and then you can refinance. When the prices go down, you'll have more equity in the home by then, because of natural appreciation, plus the prices will go up, and that means it's going to appraise for more. So, you have to really, if you want to buy now. Your prices are probably not going to get too much lower. Now, Jimmy and I thought, they might go down to 435, and right now they're hovering around 440, so 440, 450, but 440 I think is really maybe where we're going to end up at, and maybe 435 by the end of the year. But the point being that they will go back up again. And so if you can feel that, I know that we're not soothsayers, we don't have a crystal ball, but if history repeats itself, which it normally does, when the interest rates go down, people buy, the demand goes up, prices go up. So just think about that when you're talking to your buyers right now. And I pulled up some things. I know I have a class with Jimmy today, and we're going to talk about ethics, but he always wants to know what happened last year. So last year we were selling for the month of December, we were selling 131 homes a day. That was in December. Now, overall for last year, we did 141 sales per day. But in December, the big point is the median price in December was $422.